Hey guys, welcome back to Tips and Tricks with Vinegar-Based Productions. Today, we're going to talk about project setup in any nonlinear editing software. Now, I just wanted to take you through kind of my standard setup for editing videos in nonlinear editing software. I use Adobe Premiere, so you'll see these screenshots are based from Premiere. I like to start with 001_sequences. Then I move to 002_footage. This is where all of your camera shots will go, whether it's GoPro, drone footage, or each of your cameras from that day. Next is 003 audio. And in this folder, I'll break it down and put subfolders like music, sound effects, anything that has to do with audio. And lastly, I do a bin and a separate file for graphics. So this would be 004_graphics. And you can just keep this going with 005, 006, any more files you want to make. And why this numeric order is very important is because every time you go and you look for something, you're going to know exactly where it is and it's in the same spot every time. I use the same technique for After Effects or any organizational program that this is required in. So this is something I wanted to share with you guys. It's something that I've developed over time, editing for over 24 years, and I really hope that it helps you guys stay organized and efficient as you go out editing in the future. If you like this video and you found it helpful, click that subscribe button, ring that bell, so you'll get notified the next time we release a video with some more great content from Vinegar-Based Productions.